Ladies and gentlemen, we extend you a hearty welcome on the occasion of our 22nd Virtual Annual Function 2020. We need not overstate the impact of COVID-19 pandemic on our lives since March 2020. In these crucial times, we have tried to present before you a narrative of the academic year 2019-20 on a virtual platform. We do hope that you would find it both informative and entertaining. We begin the function with a short virtual tour of KC Public School, which over the years, in addition to its academic excellence, has emerged as a standalone school of fine arts, both performing and visual. The tour will also include KC Sports Club, which is seamlessly integrated with our sports, health and wellness curriculum.
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. We once again welcome you to our virtual annual function 2020. We have the tradition of commencing our annual function with the lighting of the ceremonial lamp. I now request our chairman, Shri Raju Chaudhary, to kindly light the lamp on this auspicious occasion. Ladies and gentlemen, we will begin the function with the Shiva Strotam, an invocation to Lord Shiva performed by the students of the senior school.
जटाटवी गलज्जल प्रवाह पावितस्थले कलेवलम्ब्यलम्बितां भुजङ्गतुङ्गमालिकान्तमड्डमड्डमड्डमन्निनादवड्डमर्वयं चकार चण्डताण्डवं तनोतु नः शिव शिवम् जटाभुजंग पिंगल स्फुरत्फणामणि प्रभा कदंब कुंकुमद्रव प्रलिप्त दिग्वधूमुखे मदान्ध सिन्धुर स्फुरत्वगुत्तरीय मेदुरे मनो विनोदमद्भुतं बिभर्तु भूत भर्तरि ॐ नमः शिवाय प्रफुल्ल नील पंकज प्रपंच कालिम प्रभावलम्बिकण्ठकन्दली रुचिप्रबद्धकन्धरं स्मरच्छिदं पुरच्छिदं भवच्छिदं मखच्छिदं गजच्छिदान्धकच्छिदं तमन्तकच्छिदं भजे इदं हि नित्यमेव मुक्तमुत्तमोत्तमं स्तवं पठन् स्मरन् ब्रुवन्नरो विशुद्धिमेति सन्ततं हरे गुरौ सुभक्तिमाशु याति नान्यथा गतिं विमोहनं हि देहिनां सुशङ्करस्य विमोहनं हि देहिनां सुशङ्करस्य विमोहनं हि देहिनां सुशङ्करस्य चिन्तनो
We truly need to invoke Lord Shiva to liberate humanity from the clutches of a terrible demon. I now request our principal, Shri Amrendra Kumar Mishra, to kindly present the annual report for the academic year 2019-20.
Good evening, Honorable Chairman, Vice Chairman, Managing Director, Academic Director, respected guests, parents, staff members, students and alumni. Welcome to the virtual 22nd Annual Day Celebrations 2020, a platform to communicate directly with all of you. With delight, I present this annual report which enumerates the activities and achievements of the school. Our enrollments have an upward trend, and more parents flock to this temple of learning, making KCPS as the first choice for their wards. First of all, I express my gratitude to all the compassionate, appreciating and understanding parents who have welcomed the sea change in teaching learning this year, worked hand in hand to make this online education a success during these trying times of pandemic. This year has been a very eventful one for us. We have made great efforts to transform ourselves completely into online and have been extremely successful in our endeavors. Apart from preparing the children to qualify for purely academic demands, special efforts are being made continuously to enable them to face the challenges of the competitive world. It's a matter of great importance to us that the students who pass out from our portals should carry forward the values they have inherited, excel in whatever they do, and be the role models in the society. KCPS is a selective school with a highly multicultural, socially diverse and geographically dispersed student base. We provide equal opportunity for students to achieve excellence in academic, cultural, sporting, civic, leadership and social endeavors in an inclusive environment supporting teaching, learning and friendship. In the voice of the discovery of excellence in the field of education, our endeavor of keeping the values love, peace, truth, happiness and value education alive in our thought, word and action continues. Let us take a quick glance at school's academic achievements of 2019-2020. I am proud to announce that continuing the saga of 100% results over the years, the academic growth curve has been constantly rising upwards at KCPS, and I take immense pride in sharing that our school has once again shown record-breaking performance in 2020 as well. Grade 12 students performed exceptionally well with 158 distinctions out of total 161 students. Oshin Mahajan was the state topper with an aggregate percentage of 99%, followed by Kavya Kochar and Janvi Pando getting 96.75% and 96.25% respectively. Among the commerce toppers, we have Pratisha Abrol with 97.5%, followed by Muskan Kapoor, Vasu Gupta and Harshika Bhatt. Aryan Gupta topped in science stream with 97.75%. Amodini Karwani and Stuti Sharma scored 97.5%, followed by Shaurya Gupta scoring 97.25%. We are happy to share the news that all our students of class 10th who appeared for secondary school examination by CBSE session 2019-20 passed with flying colors. Out of total 219 students appeared, 68 students scored 90% and above and 184 distinctions and 100% passing ratio. Vansvardhan was the school topper with 98.25%, followed by Chavi Gupta, Samya Ved and Aditya Gupta scoring 97.75% and 97% respectively. Most of you are aware that one of the milestones of our school this year is Education World School Rankings. KCPS carves a niche by being ranked as top co-ed day-cum boarding school in Jammu and Kashmir by Education World Rankings, which was long overdue with its ardent desire of contributing substantially by spawning productive global citizens. It is pertinent to mention here that Education World India School Rankings is the world's largest and in-depth school ranking survey and has been most reliable in rating educational institutions over the last decade. The survey rates 2,000 of India's most high-profile schools on multifarious parameters: academic excellence, reputation, faculty competence, leadership quality, sports education, etc. Based on field interviews with over 11,000 knowledgeable stakeholders including parents, principals, school students and educators. I take pride in conveying my gratitude to the management for the support rendered, faculty for working tirelessly and investing untiring efforts wherever required, parents for their cooperation and students for living up to the expectations of all stakeholders. I swell with pride sharing that we have a group of committed, proactive and dedicated teaching staff working tirelessly to help each other to reach their potential. They have quickly adapted to the present change and have learned to manage online classes effectively. We are adopting a wide variety of innovative teaching practices to make teaching learning process engaging, interactive and fruitful. We are strengthening synergies between parents, students and teachers. Ladies and gentlemen, as we build upon our many accomplishments across our campus, we thank you for your continued support to us. Your support truly energizes us, ensures our future success and allows us to prepare an increasing number of students for enriched lives for the society. We remain grateful to all the parents for reposing their unparalleled trust in us, which propels us to march ahead with greater commitment and enthusiasm. With God's grace and guidance, we hope to move forward with our priorities, innovation in our educational programs, intellectual ambitions and globalization in education. Let us truly stand poised to enter a glorious 23rd year for the school. May Almighty God bless each one of us and help us in translating our dreams. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.
Ladies and gentlemen, despite constraints of social distancing and health safety norms in these difficult times, students of KCPS have strung together a cultural program for you. Hope you will enjoy it. Here is the first item, an orchestral composition presented by the students of senior school.
William Shakespeare, in his play As You Like It, has described the world as a stage on which we human beings play our part and then quit. Here is a mime based on a poetic extract from the play performed by the students of the senior school. Ladies and gentlemen, the 7 ages of man.
The 7 ages of a man. All the world's a stage, and all the men and women merely players. They have their exits and their entrances, and one man in his time plays many parts, his acts being 7 ages. At first the infant, mewling and puking in the nurse's arms. And then the whining schoolboy, with his satchel and shining morning face, creeping like snail, unwillingly to school. And then the lover, sighing like furnace, with a woeful ballad made to his mistress' eyebrow. Then a soldier, full of strange oaths and bearded like the pard, jealous in honor, sudden and quick in quarrel, seeking the bubble reputation even in the cannon's mouth. And then the justice, in fair round belly with good cap and lion, with eyes severe and beard of formal cut, full of wise sauce and modern instances, and so he plays his part. The 6th age shifts into the lean and slippered pantaloon, with spectacles on nose and pouch on side. His youthful hose, well saved, a world too wide for his shrunk shank, and his big manly voice, turning again to a childish treble, pipes and whistles in his sound. Last scene of whole that ends this strange, eventful history is second childishness and mere oblivion. Sans teeth, sans eyes, sans taste, sans everything.
We will now interrupt the cultural show to present before you a brief report on the happenings under the aegis of Round Square in the academic year 2020.
Ladies and gentlemen, I am the Round Square School Prefect Suhani Sachdeva. On the occasion of our 22nd Virtual Annual Day 2020, I am going to present before you a report on Round Square activities in the academic year 2020. The year began with the regional annual meeting held at Singapore International School, Mumbai in February. Managing Director Aarti Chaudhary and RS Rep Sonia Thakur attended the meeting. A spate of digital online events started in the wake of COVID-19. KCNs attended many of them, hosted by schools from all over the world. The theme of these conferences offered many opportunities to come up with viable solutions in these trying times. In MDN conference hosted by Sai International, Bhubaneswar, KCNs did the school proud by winning many accolades. Hanumat Sharma was declared the best delegate. Vihan Gupta, Krishna Sapru and Karan Jain got high commendations. Adhish Nargotra and Swati Pawar got special mention. In the MEN hosted by British School New Delhi, Vihan Gupta was declared the best delegate and Shambhavi Gupta got special mention. In the MUN hosted by BPS Pilani, Divyaveer Singh was declared the best delegate and Swati Pawar got high commendation. Krishna Sapru, Suhani Sachdeva and Shambhavi Gupta received special mention. In Firgun Fest hosted by Velam Girls Dehradun, Riya Rehan won the second position in poetry recitation. In the Art Fest, Yajur Mahajan got special mention. In the symposium hosted by Cadet College Pakistan, Mishtha Chopra got special mention. I would like to mention with pride that we had 4 major collaborations with Round Square schools of the world. 3 students of KC Public School, namely Shambhavi Gupta, Naira Gandotra and Twisha Sharma, had the opportunity to interact with students of Scotch Oakburn School, Tasmania, in a collaborative project about the impact of COVID-19. We collaborated with Upper Latimer School, London, through the expression of artwork under the aegis of Round Square. 34 paintings were sent, which got a positive response from David Mumby, Head of Art and Design. In an online collaborative art project launched by Klosterschule Rossblen, Germany, on the theme of togetherness, 64 paintings were sent. The exhibition of paintings was shown on Zoom. As a part of Round Square online collaboration with Godspell College, Argentina, students of junior school made thank you cards to express their gratitude to our frontline warriors who have helped display unparalleled dedication and resilience in the battle against the pandemic. The junior school students also took part in Round Square collaborative projects on International Dot Day organized by Raha International School, Abu Dhabi. Students of junior school are also taking part in Pen Pal collaborative project launched by the same school. All these conferences have developed in us curiosity and undefeatable spirit of tenacity of purpose and compassion. We just concluded our own Round Square collaborative project on folk art from around the world, to which we received massive response from 44 Round Square schools from all around the world. We have now created and shared a 3D virtual art exhibition with all the participating schools. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, I am the Round Square School Prefect Mishika Mittal, and I will be presenting a report on Round Square Service Program. The best way to find yourself is to see yourself in the service of others. This inspirational Gandhian thought has always motivated Kasians to rise to the opportunity when it comes to helping others in distress. In the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic period, we made more than 400 masks and presented them to SSP Sandeep Mehta, Operations Cybercrime Jammu, to be distributed among the poor. During Joy of Giving Week, the Round Square service team of KCPS donated dry rations, masks and other utility items to the domestic helpers, keeping the norms of social distancing. The team also took the initiative of making homemade hand sanitizers and giving it to their domestic helpers. Our school has joined hands with the International Voluntary Foundation Jammu for the noble cause of doing service to the poor. In a massive blanket distribution drive, Cover with Love, 30 blankets were distributed among the slum dwellers at Palora by Suhani Sachdeva. The school owes a lot to our school managing director Aati Chaudhary for her dynamic role in bringing Round Square ideology to our school. An epitome of grace and poise, her motivational leadership, guidance and advice has inspired many of us and will continue to inspire many more in the years to come. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, every year the King Constantine Medal is awarded to a student for his or her outstanding services under the Round Square program. This year, the award goes to Suhani Sachdeva of class 11. I now request Chairman Shri Raju Chaudhary to kindly present the award to her. Ladies and gentlemen, students of the junior wing of our school are incredibly talented in both performing and visual arts. They will now present a melodious rendition of Michael Jackson's song Heal the World in conjunction with an inspirational Hindi lyric.
There's a place in your heart and I know that it is love. And this place could be much brighter than tomorrow. And if you really try, you'll find there's no need to cry. In this place you will feel
Ladies and gentlemen, KC Public School has grown exponentially in all the arenas that make school education really world-class. Education World, the most authentic assessor of the performance of schools in India, has rated KCPS as #1 school in J&K in the day-cum boarding co-educational category. It is a matter of great pride and pleasure for the entire KCPS community consisting of parents, students, alumni, teachers and members of the school management.
We now invite Chairman Shri Raju Chaudhary to kindly address us.
Distinguished guests, parents, teachers of KC Public School and dear students, I extend you a hearty welcome on the occasion of our first ever virtual 22nd Annual Function 2020, being streamed to you online today in this unusual year of COVID-19 pandemic. Fortunately, human spirit, by virtue of being a fearless warrior against calamities, has always faced the challenges posed to it in the course of human history with courage, equanimity and grit, and this year is no exception. Frankly, the sudden onslaught of COVID-19 in March this year left us all a bit shaken, but we at KC Public immediately moved into overdrive mode at the onset of the worldwide shutdown of educational institutions and came up with effective plans and strategies to keep our students and teachers fruitfully engaged in online academic and co-curricular activities. I must appreciate our teachers for their resilience and tenacity in mastering the skills required for online teaching as quickly as possible, and soon we were able to reach out to all our students through the medium of virtual classrooms. Since April this year, we have evolved and put into practice a systematic online instructional program that has benefited all our students at home. In these challenging times, we have received full support from our parents' community, without which it would not have been possible to do full justice to our mission to provide uninterrupted education to our students. Ladies and gentlemen, recent developments clearly indicate that respite and relief from the menace of COVID-19 is now just around the corner. We are quite optimistic about schools reopening in the first quarter of next year and look forward to it very eagerly. There is no doubt at all that all of us are facing a fair share of hardships, inconveniences and deprivations during this difficult time. But as one of our school prayers puts it rightly, we shall overcome. On a positive note, the year 2020 proved to be a landmark year for us at KC Public School. And our school was ranked #1 school in J&K in the category of day-cum-boarding co-educational schools by Education World magazine this year. It is a matter of great pleasure and pride for the entire KC Public School community, and I congratulate all its members for this well-deserved achievement. Once again, I congratulate and thank all the members of KC Public School community, be it parents, teachers, office workers, support staff and our dear students for their patience, cooperation and unstinted support in dealing with this formidable challenge together like a team. Please stay happy, healthy and safe, and may God bless you all. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, before we conclude our 22nd Virtual Annual Function 2020, we would like to felicitate two of our distinguished and outstanding alumni. Ayushi Sudan, IAS, passed out of KCPS in March 2009 as an exceptionally meritorious student. After completing her graduation and post-graduation in physics from St. Stephen's College, New Delhi, she cracked the Civil Services Examination in 2017 under AGMUT cadre. She is currently posted as Deputy Commissioner of Anjaur District in the state of Arunachal Pradesh, before taking up her assignment as the Deputy Commissioner. She also worked as an Assistant Commissioner in the Government of Delhi and also held office as an Assistant Secretary in the Ministry of Chemicals and Fertilizers, Government of India for brief periods of time. We are extremely proud of her achievements. She has sent us a video message on her experience as a student of KC Public School, which we would like to share with you.
A very good morning to all of you, Chairman KC Educational Society, MD, the principal, teachers, students, and the parents. My name is Ayushi Sudan. I'm an IS officer of 2017 batch AGMUT cadre, and I'm currently serving as Deputy Commissioner in Anjaur District in Arunachal Pradesh. I passed out of KC in 2009 and I spent some 10 beautiful years in KC Public School from 2nd standard to 12th standard, which made the bulk of my school life. So naturally I have some wonderful memories from that period and some great friendships that I still carry with me. I like to use this opportunity to thank some of the most wonderful teachers that we had at the time. For example, Manoj sir from physics, Pramod sir, Kapil sir from maths, and Kiran Gadru ma'am from chemistry, who really helped shape who we are at this point in life. I remember that I used to hate going to school at the time, but right now, as of now, I really miss it. I feel nostalgic about it. Because I guess school life is one period in your life when you can actually experiment with a lot of things. You can experiment with different ideas, you can experiment with your convictions, with your dreams, your values. And it really helps shape who you are later on in life. You have a sense of carefreeness at the time, lack of responsibility that you will really miss later on in life as you grow older. So at this time, I like to say only one thing to the students. I won't like to bore them. That take a lot of risks, do experiment with a lot of things, and don't stop trying. You may want to give up at some point or whatever, but don't do that, because eventually you will see the dividends from it. And that was true in my case, and true in most of my batchmates' lives as well. And as far as school life goes, it is the most wonderful period in your life, and I would say enjoy it, learn, grow, and have fun. Thank you.
Anubhav Malhotra passed out of KC Public School in March 2011. He was the school head boy in the academic year 2009-10. An academically brilliant student, he topped the state in both class 10th and 12th CBSE examinations with 98% and 95.6% marks respectively. After graduating in electronics and telecommunication from the University of Mumbai in 2015, he completed his MS in Information Systems from Kelley School of Business, USA in 2018. He is currently working as technology consultant at Deloitte in Chicago, USA. Here is a video message from Anubhav on his experiences as a student of KCPS.
Greetings of the day, Reverend members of KC Educational Society, Principal Sir, the faculty of teachers, all students, ladies and gentlemen. It gives me immense pleasure to be back at home to my alma mater, KC Public School, after 10 long years. For 13 years, I stood in your position as a student, and for a year as the head boy of the school. So, this is my home, and I'm delighted to be in your midst to address you on this auspicious meet and talk about my school days. My journey at KCPS started in LKG class way back in the year 1998. I spent a memorable 14 years before leaving this prestigious institution in the year 2011 after completing my 12th standard. My school days at KCPS were an all-rounded mix of academics, sports, and extracurricular activities. I was a topper throughout the school days, also achieving the feat of topping the J&K State in both 10th and 12th CBSE board exams. I always had a passion of competing in debates, poem recitation, extempore, and any other extracurricular activity in school. I loved playing cricket and also got a chance to be a part of the school cricket team to represent Jammu district in under 16 level. I remember eagerly waiting for the sports period to rush to the sports ground to occupy the center pitch to play a good game of cricket with my dear friends. If I have to recall, one of the proudest moments during my school journey was becoming the head boy of the school during the year 2009 and getting the honor and privilege of leading the school during that year's annual day. But most importantly, none of this would have been possible without the unconditional love, support and blessings of all the teachers and administration at KCPS. The motivation and confidence given to me at each and every step of my school journey helped me to strive for excellence and kept pushing me out of my comfort zone. The knowledge and values learned at KCPS have built my strong foundation, have propelled me this far, and have made me what I am today. To all the current students of KCPS, I like to reiterate that you're lucky to be a part of this institution, you're lucky to be a part of this brand, and this is going to pay you dividends in your career and life ahead. Given the time crunch, I won't take much of your time, but I'd like to conclude by once again thanking everyone at KCPS for giving me the wins to play. Cheers.
Ladies and gentlemen, we thank you for your presence on the occasion of our first ever virtual annual function 2020. We do hope you enjoyed being here. We will conclude the function with the national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे